Hi guys, welcome back to Darish Zone channel and apparently another video in English. So good. So this video is about an emulation station themes made by one of the best creator of custom theme on emulation station, and is Dwayne Hurst. I will put the link to his channel on description. Go look by yourself his channel because it's very good. So this is the new themes he made for emulation station. You can download the themes through the setup screen of emulation station, like this. You have to check ES themes. Okay, loading. So you have to check the themes made by Dwayne Hurst, which are on the bottom of the very long list. As you can see, maybe it's too, I don't know if you can see. Well, I could make a zoom on the edits. Let's see. Oh, it's very long. Hey, those are all themes made by him, as you can see. It's interesting because he declared a quit on the production of themes, but instead he still makes very great themes, better than ever, as I said. So I'm very happy he not quit and just continue to produce themes. So let's look the new theme he uploaded on emulation station, which are, and we will see them: Cyber, Hursty, which is very good. So we have Heavy Resident, based obviously on Resident Evil, Mario Melee, Incredibles, and Minecraft. Today we will see three themes: Cyber, Hursty, and Space Invaders. Like that. So you download the theme here. So then you press Start, then go to UI Settings, and keep an eye on Carousel Transition. You have to turn it on. Transition Style Instant is good. Theme is Space Invader. Gameless View Style as you want. If you have videos on your image, leave automatic. And this is Space Invaders. I love this theme. I love this theme. Just watch. It's very good. I love this thing, guys. This background he made just like transparency. How can I say it? As you said, the theme supports video, Atari. It's very good. It's very good. ColecoVision, Daphne. Oh, let's turn on the like this, the audio on the snap view. Oh, Dragon's Lair.
Fantasy adventure. Dragon's Lair.
So it's very good, but the best is I just look at Cyber. Oh, just look. This is a yes, a very retro theme, like 80s style. And the image is very good. And those themes runs very well on PI 3B on the default settings. As you can see from other setting, the RAM limit is the default value is not modified, and it runs very well. There's no lag at all. It's very good. It's very good. In here, this is my image. Okay, television. In the next videos. Okay, let's see the last theme I want to show you. As you can see, there are a lot of them. Hard to spin. This is very good. This is the landmark theme of him for me. Another theme I like by Hursty is White Slide. Just look for this theme also. This is very good. Hyperspin style. I don't know if he made and then rolling spin, hyperspin style. It's very good. The artwork is great. As you can see, the text is but under the images. The effect is very good. I like this theme, guys. I very like this theme. MSX, Mega Drive. Okay. Let's look PlayStation. I've expanded a lot the PlayStation library on my image. I'm very happy. I put new games on my, just like Strider 2, Silent Hill, Mortal Kombat 3 Ghost in the Shell. This game is very good. Guys, this game is very good. It has a soundtrack, a killer soundtrack, very good. Okay, guys, this is the new great awesome theme by Dwayne Hurst. So go download it and enjoy. Thumbs up for the video and subscribe to my channel for all the updates and my future projects and images. Bye.